Model, 2007 Vauxhall Vivaro 2700 2.0 CDTI, 115 PS, long wheelbase, Combi CAMLER conversion needs injector. Body, silver, camper. Mileage, 266444. MOT, the 16th of October 2024. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhpg. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire. Needs injector number 2 replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear, check engine light on the dash. Fault code for cylinder 2 misfire grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear camping area is in decent, average condition. Features, parking sensors, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.